Good morning, everyone. This is Teresa Paschall with Critters Crochet. I'm so excited that you're here with me this morning. Yeah, the last few days have been crazy. I'm really trying to be consistent with my videos and posting videos daily, but y'all, life has been nuts. Back and forth to the doctors for my husband for his knee replacement, and then my mom really needs a lot of my help. And so I feel like in the last few days I've just been pulled into a million different directions. So I am so sorry that I'm not more consistent with my videos, but I really am trying to get better at that. But I wanted to come on today and actually show you, do a little tutorial. Now this video may not be very long today because I'm not showing how I crochet this, but I am showing you what I use to make my earrings and how I put it together. And what I used for this, I love Pinterest. So Pinterest is where I got this idea. And what it is, it's a pattern for, I just put in crochet hot cocoa mug, or crochet coffee mug, I think is what I put in. Or I may have put in crochet cocoa mug. Anyway, it brought up this mug that you make a Christmas ornament out of. So instead of using the DK weight thread I'll get this right in a minute. Instead of using the yarn they suggested, I used Lydia's number 10 thread, cotton thread, and I used it in this red and in the tan. Okay, these are the two colors that I use, the red and the tan. Okay, number 10, Lydia's cotton thread. And all it is a magic ring, and then circles for a couple of rows, and then you do about 7 rows of just completely around and around. And tie that off, and when you get to the top, you do, for the handle, it's just a chain of 10, and then you single crochet down the chain and then attach it to make your little handle on your mug. And then the top of it is you connect your tan yarn, and it's just single crochets around a couple of times, and then you start decreasing until it closes. And then for the little marshmallows, I just did French knots. And those are real easy. So once I get this done, then what you need to make the earrings are, I just get these. I bought them off of Amazon. And this is what I use. Let me put this down. Maybe you'll see it better on this. This is what I use for the earrings. And I get these off of Amazon. And I will show you. I can put a link in the description to these pieces. But all I do, and then I got this at Hobby Lobby in the jewelry section. These pliers. They're jewelry pliers. And you really need them to do these. And I'll show you why. But this is in the jewelry section at Hobby Lobby. And I got them on sale. I've had these for over a year. I think I got them on sale for like $4. They were running a real big sale on all their jewelry stuff. But I'm not sure what they are now. I think they're like around 6 or 7 normally. But anyway, what you do, and I'm going to try and get this up to the camera where you can see it. But all I do is I put my little pliers in here, and I just bend that open. Well, let me get the right side. Let me get a hold of this correctly. I get these in here, and I just bend that out like that to open it up. You see how it's not wanting to focus. But you can see how I opened that up. Okay, like that. Well, maybe you can see it now. See how it's opened? And then all I do is I take this and my little earring, and I just find a spot right at the top in the center, and I just push that through and hook it on one of the threads, and that's it. Now sometimes it takes some wiggling around. You have to get that bead out of the way. But there it goes. There. Now it's gone through. And then once I get that through, I just take my pliers once again. I'm going to turn it this way so I can hold on to it a little bit better. But I just take those pliers and I get a hold of this and I just curl it back. And then I take both sides. Let me see if I can get this at an angle where you can see it. I take both sides of my pliers on that ring, and I just pinch it down to close it. And I just squeeze it on the top and the bottom of that ring until it's completely closed. And there's my earring. That's it. That is how I attach them. And there's my earring. And then when I send these, I also bought these off of Amazon. Let me get this off of here where you can see them. Let me pull this off. I get these little brown earring holders, and that's what I display my earrings on, are these, okay? And that's what I do with my earrings. I also purchased on Amazon, or no, I didn't get these on Amazon. I got these at Hobby Lobby. I also have purchased these hoop earrings because I love hoop earrings. And I found a pattern on Pinterest where you can crochet right on the hoops. And all these are it's single crochet around the hoop, and then you just do shell stitches to make the scallops. And these make cute little earrings. I want to do some too that are like dream catchers inside the hoops and make them look like dream catchers. I think those will be pretty. So anyway, that's what I use to attach my earrings. And something else I do is now, I don't know what size these are, but my mother, let me raise this up a little bit. Well, it's not wanting to do that. I will do that in a minute. But my mom surprised me one day and gifted me my grandmother's steel hooks. And I treasure these. I treasure them. And this is the one. They are boy hooks. I don't know if that's going to pick up or not. Let me put these down and see if that's going to pick up. Yeah, you can see it a little bit. But on the hook, it says number 6. Now, the pattern called for a 1.75 millimeter hook. And what I did is I just kind of eyeballed now these, I've tried to work with these really thin hooks, and I've just not mastered them yet. So I went up to the smallest size that I knew I could handle and master. And this one that has a number 6 on it, that's what I made my earrings with. Now look at this. 25 cents, guys. I just think that's neat that these hooks only cost her 25 cents a piece. Some of them like this number 12. Let's see if I can find, no, it doesn't have it on there. Let me find one. I got to show you this because I think it's so funny. Let me see. Where is it? I know I have one. Oh yeah, here it is. This one, that's a number 3 hook. Check this out. That one, the one I used for the earrings, was 25 cents. This number 3 hook, 10 cents. Can you imagine only 10 cents for an earring? Or for an earring. 10 cents for a crochet hook. But these are my grandmother's. And I'm just so blessed to have these. When I was younger and when I could learn to crochet, I wish I could have learned at a young age, but my grandmother's mental health was not where she could do that. And so I never learned from her. But I think about her every time I pick up these hooks, and I feel like she's here with me when I'm crocheting, so that brings me a lot of comfort and a lot of joy. And so anytime I make doilies or earrings, I use these hooks. I don't use my regular hooks. I use these. So, but I just wanted to come on and show you how I attach my earrings and what I use. I will link like I said, I got these on Amazon, so I will link the cards and I will link the earring pieces from Amazon. I'll put those links under in the description box so you can see them. But yeah, that's how I attach my earrings. And I have a friend who's asked me to make these and make 10 pairs for her friends at work. So this one earring right here took me about, I think maybe 20 minutes to make. So it's not going to take me long to make these earrings at all, but that's what I'm making these for, and I think they turned out so cute. I love the little French knots for the marshmallows. I think those are really cute. And then on some of these, I'm going to take the white thread, and I'm going to do a little embroidered snowflake pattern on the outside of it. So anyway, and on the inside is just a teeny little bit of fiber fill. It doesn't stuff them I don't stuff them real tight, but just a little bit of fiber fill is in there to keep its shape. So anyway, that's my tutorial for today. I am going to be working on finishing up these earrings. We've got a rainy, nasty day here in West Tennessee today. And it's like it's 60 degrees right now, and they're calling for thunderstorms. This weather is just unreal. But anyway, so I'm not getting out today. I'm going to stay in and crochet, and I'll get out tomorrow. So anyway, just wanted to pop on and share how I make these earrings. And have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Bye, guys. Love you. Have a fantastic and terrific Tuesday.